The government, through the National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe (NPAZ), has made several senior appointments. Long-serving Chief Law Officer Mr. Chris Mutangadura has been elevated to the role of Deputy Prosecutor General. Chris Mutangadura has been promoted. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibna mnambo brain conscience. Bulawayo Best Chief Public Prosecutor Mrs. Lariro Rosa Takuva also assumes the position. Mr. Jingilezla Zisengwe, formerly head of Uniformed Service and Formations with the Public Service Commission, has been appointed MPAZ Board Secretary and Accounting Officer. Prosecutor General Justice Lois Matandamoyo, in a communication to senior NPAZ officials, described the appointments as a significant milestone in strengthening the leadership and operational capacity of the authority as it continues to deliver on its mandate with professionalism, integrity, and excellence. She said the new appointees bring a wealth of experience, expertise, and commitment to the rule of law, and that their service will enhance prosecutorial efficiency, governance, and overall service delivery. Mutangadura and Takura, who joined Mr. Nelson Mutsonzwa, who already serves as Deputy Prosecutor General, while Mr. Mutangadura is highly experienced in prosecutorial service. His career has also been marked by several controversies, legal challenges, and allegations. Domashukano Brashton, Yungo Pamsoro, Iowa, Pamisa Mutangadura, Pamso also anoentra mberi vachitaura credible sources anonga kunzi Mutangadura also ane zvaanozivikanwa nazvo like High Court ruling on transfer powers and also disciplinary proceedings or release of suspects. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino. Tudze mafunguro enyu motikude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinango mesection medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn the bell icon.